Where are you going?
I'm going to the fish tank.
Fish tank.
Hindi,
We're
grab lang,
here.
grab.
Ocean Park. Say Ocean Park.
Kalaw sarado. Naman lang note.
We're here. Where are you?
We are in the fish tank.
Wala pa tayo sa fish tank, anak. We're at the Ocean Park. We're going to ride an elevator. Hi, everyone. Hi, everyone. Pawis na. Excited. Wow. Say hi.
Hi. Hi everyone.
Wow.
Hi everyone.
Hi everyone. We are at the aquarium.
Yes, it's an aquarium already.
I saw another one.
Prem, oh, you don't like this big fish?
Look, it's so cute.
But I saw another banana.
Wow, oh, go inside. Wow.
Look,
It's a door. May lasa
Hi, everyone.
Wow, look.
Hello, ang cute mo naman. Look. Galit siya. Galit ka, friend? Galit yan? Can you say hi to them? Here. We're inside.
Here, next. Hindi ko lang kita pala kami. Ano mo?
Oh no, it's such a big snake over there. Did you see? Oh no. Wow.
Choco Lizardo Mulukan at Chief Saini, Kakatuwa Ulusensis. These birds can be found in Eastern Indonesia and they are the largest. There you go, the show has features that Rojas or Choco. I will hide under one of these three silver cups. So where do you want me to put this object? On your left, on your right, or in the middle? Now we try left, right, or middle. Okay, so let's put it right here. Now let's call it our second bird, Dazzle. Dazzle is our silver breasted cockatoo. Sa iyong nickname, Kakatuwa Galarita. They inhabit in open woodlands and forests. Dazzle has the ability to find hidden objects. If it's yes, then say, you can do it, Dazzle.
You can do it.
Go, Dazzle.
Wow.
Sassy and Rocky are beautiful pair of green macaw, and today they will battle it out who's the best in basketball game. But before we start this battle, I'll be dividing you into two groups. All the girls will cheer for Sassy. Come girls, let me hear say Sassy, Sassy. Everyone else call Rocky wins. What is about the trainer shell? You Sassy green macaws are from South America. They are known to be the gentle giants of the parrot family. It is because they are the second largest, next to the hyacinth macaws. They can grow up to 92 centimeter in length and can live up to 8 years old. Scientific name is Arachnoptera. They usually feed on seeds, nuts, salts, and minerals along their riverbanks. Okay, for Alashi, go Sassy girl. And there you go, intelligent right arm cross for Sassy, leader of the shot. Number correct. How about the second number? Okay. After the second number, Rocky. Well, Rocky loves numbers. Okay, I think he's counting. 20 plus 5. Come, Rocky, do the math. And Rocky gets to number 5. So, 20 plus 5 is equals to 25. Put your hands together for a hand with Macaw. Rocky, you traded Mikey. So this time, I think Kakatuwa Ulusensis. Bobby flies super. Buddy. And he gets the money and flies back. And I think Bobby will take the money off Pastor Donald. Now before you go, I have a question for you. Did you know that Manila Ocean Park is also rescuing and sending birds? No, well, in Germany we go a long way. We are very grateful. Thank you so much. You may not take your seat and enjoy the rest of the show. How about 1,000 pesos? These birds can be found in Bohol, Samar, Leyte, Catanduanes, and Pasig City, Cebuya. And our property guide, here comes Steve. Property guide is known as a Western Indus, one of the 100 most successful around the world. These birds can be found in India, Indonesia, Bangladesh, Pakistan, along China, including in the Philippines. And here comes Shadow. They are locally known as Sabi or Bandol in Visayas region. And as you can see, we have our homing pigeons. Homing pigeons is an innate ability, meaning they will generally return to its nest and mate. How about us for our pregnant guys and our homing pigeons? Here at Canal Ocean Park, we believe there is hope. We only not try to take care of our friends in the sea, but also for those who are on land and air as well. Now, who knows the 3 R's? It's reduce, reuse, and recycle. Very good. So here's our opening the water household effort. Let's take action saving them from exploitation or even extinction. Please, let's all work for
Oh, what a beautiful day! Good day, everyone, and welcome to Aquatica. By the way, I'm trainer Rochelle, and I'd like you to meet my friends, together with the trainers, one at a time. On your left side is the only male South American sea lion that we have, and he is the handsome one. Wow, Vincent. His name is Vincent. Together with trainer David, say hi. Is one of the youngest female South American sea lions that we have here. And that's made her the sexiest. Don't be shy, girl. Her name is Sandra. Together with trainer Jeremy, say hello. Now let's continue. So guys, do you have any idea why are they called fin or feather-footed marine mammals? Any idea? Guys, do you have feathers? The answer is no. It's actually because of their front livers, which are shaped like a bird's wing. See those? The term pedipalp can also be translated as wing net. And that's a fine demonstration. Hello, applause for Vincent and Yenny. And guys, you know what? They have this long and flexible neck. How flexible? Well, check this out.